Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the teaser of Siddha's Saga from the upcoming Telugu movie Acharya. Wonderful teaser, I should tell. It is a short glimpse and introduction of the character of Ram Charan, what exactly he is portraying in the movie. I'll come to the last scenes shown in the teaser. Very wonderful and very touchy. You can see two cheetahs, a dad cheetah probably. I mentioned it dad because I'll connect it to the teaser of Acharya. A dad cheetah is standing behind a kid cheetah. A small cheetah, kid cheetah, is drinking the water from the lake or the river flowing in the forest. On the other side of the bank, we can see Ram Charan drinking the water from the same pond, looking at the cheetahs, and behind Ram Charan, we can see Chiranjeevi walking gracefully, just like the dad cheetah. So here the comparison has been shown between the dad and the kid and Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan. In real life also, Chiranjeevi is father of Ram Charan. In this movie, is he playing the role of a father or the role of a teacher or a guru? The title of the movie is Acharya, and Chiranjeevi should be Acharya in this particular movie because we are shown with the beautiful sets of the ashram also. What kind of Acharya is Chiranjeevi? What kind of training is he giving to the people? If we see, both Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan are dressed in black. And in one of the stills, we can see Ram Charan also fight in that black dress. Totally, he is dressed up in black. Does that black dress indicate revolution? What is happening in the Acharya's ashram? What kind of training is being given? We also can see aesthetic sets there in the earlier part of the teaser where the ashram is set up as a beautiful setting. I just loved the setting. I just loved the environment there. It is beautiful. We can hear a lot of hymns, lot of people moving in and around, lot of puja, and the works of sanctity are being conducted there. That is how the teaser starts with the Sahana Bhavatu, and that melodious tune runs in the backdrop. Not to miss out again, the background music, the background score is superb and syncs with the teaser. Again, coming to Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan, is Chiranjeevi playing Ram Charan's father or guru, or a guru who also plays the role of a father, or a father who has become guru? We don't know. It looks like Ram Charan is taking the legacy of Chiranjeevi ahead, not only in life but also in this movie Acharya. Is this movie Ram Charan's tribute and dedication to his father Chiranjeevi Garu? So in all the stills, Ram Charan looks superb. You just look at his expressions, the way he runs, the way he fights. In one of the scenes, just as he is rotating, spinning the heroine Pooja Hegde, and when the spin is about to finish, we can see the scene shift to the very next sequence wherein the rotation or spinning completes with a villain. So two different scenes are connected. That is a beautiful editing, and that is beautiful picturization of both those scenes, blending those two scenes. Half circle, he is lifting the heroine and just about to drop her, then he immediately drops the villain in the next scene. The villain was looking like Sonu Sood for me. I may be wrong, but the blend of those two scenes is just beautiful and awesome. Editing work at its best. So Ram Charan's looks are just wonderful in the movie, be it in a romantic mode, be it in a fighting mode, be it when he is smashing the baddies, being where he is running with that high energy and with that graceful expression on his face, or the scene wherein he is placed with Chiranjeevi Garu in the last frame, be it with the man of the intense looks in his eyes. Wonderful. Goosebumps. Awesome teaser. And a particular dialogue which Ram Charan tells shows him as a savior sent by God. And see the couple of fight choreographies which have been done there. Wonderful. I felt the teaser of Siddha's Saga was just picture perfect and an ideal introduction to the character of Ram Charan. The music of the movie is by Mani Sharma, and the movie has been directed by Koratala Siva. Again, the plus points for me is Ram Charan's, his stills in various avatars, that picturization and those sets of ashram, and the beautiful picturization of the forest, and the blend of heroine and villain sequences, and very importantly, the two scenes which connects the cheetah and cheetah's kid with Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan in a single frame. Very emotional scene to end up the teaser. I just love the teaser, and definitely I'll go with 9 out of 10 for Siddha's Saga teaser from the movie Acharya. Now fingers crossed to see the trailer and also movie Acharya. 4th February 2022, the movie Acharya will be releasing in the theatres. In keen wait to watch this Chiranjeevi Ram Charan's combo on the big screen. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.